let's bake some banana cookies. To make our cookies, we need some ingredients. We first need 2 bananas. We also need 100 grams of oatmeal. And then we can choose whatever toppings we want. I have chosen black chocolate, but you can use white chocolate or milk chocolate. I'm adding some nuts. And I'm also using grated coconut. But remember, you can use whatever you like. The first step is very easy. You need to peel the bananas. And when they are ready, you cut them in pieces. Then you need a fork and you need to mash the bananas with the fork. When you have the mashed bananas, you add all the oatmeal and you move everything. The mixture will be something like this. Now it's time to add the toppings that we want. I'm going to add black chocolate, but remember, you can use anything you like. I'm gonna cut the chocolate in little pieces. When we have the amount of chocolate that we like, we mix it together. The result should be something like this. So here we have the cookie dough with chocolate, the one with chocolate and nuts, and the one with chocolate and coconut. We now need tray and baking paper. Now we need to form little balls with the dough and place them on the baking tray. When we have all the cookies formed, we put them inside the oven. The oven should be preheated at 180 degrees. And then we place the tray inside the oven. After 20 minutes, our cookies should be ready. I have my cookies here. It's time to try them. They are delicious. Bye bye everybody.